You know, your English is not bad. It's people. And yes, I'm saying that because sometimes I don't understand why people use difficult words when there are already good, common, simple words are available to express that exact same thing.
I go, Daddy, please. I can't entertain this. Pardon my recalcitrance.
And if I share my personal feeling about English, sometimes I also feel like my English is not good just because I use very simple and common words.
Good evening, guest services. How can I help you?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Actually, my English is not good.
Okay.
But you know Tom and Jerry?
Yes, the cartoon.
Yeah. Jerry is here in my room.
And I feel this especially when I write my scripts. But when I listen to some really good speaker like Jay Shetty,
If someone repeatedly disrespects you, that's who they are, at least for now. If someone disappears when things get hard, that's who they are. If someone breaks your boundaries and calls it love, that's who they are.
Van Gogh, Aishwarya Rai, Shantanu Naidu, and many others. I don't know, I don't remember everyone's name right now. So I noticed something. They also speak simple, clear, people-friendly English. And they speak English that people understand and connect with. They speak people's English, your English, my English.
People thought about India.
Basic things like the fact that I spoke English comfortably to begin with, and they'd be like, are you educated in India? And I'm like, yes. It's like, you speak English really well. And I'm like, well, we do learn English in India. You know, I mean, please, this is really simple.
The most common question I get is people say, Vin, is it actually possible for me to change the way I sound? I get this hundreds, if not thousands of times a day. And I say, well, is it possible for you to change your behavior? Like if you put your hands in your pocket and you say to me, Vin, I talk with my hands in my pockets all my life. Is it possible for me to talk with my hands?
So why are people making English complicated for non-English speakers? Few days ago, I got a DM from a very nice person, and we started talking about my favorite artist, Zubin Garg, and that guy had very good English speaking skills. And I'm just saying this because he used some difficult words. Words like instances and masses. I know the meanings, but in that moment, the meaning slipped from my mind. So I asked ChatGPT and found out, oh, these words that I already know. Instances just mean, for example, and masses just mean crowd. So at that time, when I found out about the meaning, I just feel, oh, why they have to use very complicated word.
Like today I was ordering lunch at a restaurant, right? So I said, please may I have a Caesar salad? And this woman goes, oh Shashi, always quoting Shakespeare.
And these are very simple words we use every day. And surprisingly, I thought, why do people have to use difficult word for something so simple? When okay becomes certain, situation becomes circumstances, children become offspring, dinner becomes suffer. It feels painful for people who are not good in English, people who are non-English speaker, people who are not born in that kind of society. It feels unnecessarily painful because they are very common words that everyone understands. But here's the thing. Good English is not about using difficult or fancy words. Good English is about how clearly you express yourself and how easily people understand you. And no offense to people who use difficult words, it's fine and it's their right, and it's also helpful for English learners to be exposed to new vocabulary. So never think they're trying to belittle you. They just speak their natural English, and I feel very happy because I learned 2-3 words from that guy, so I'm thankful. But if you ever felt the same way I felt, that using simple words means you don't have good English, then you need to listen to some great speakers who speak simple, clear human English.
The fact is that it's really got to a point where anything I say is assumed by people to be more complicated than it really is.
And in the beginning, you don't need to chase big words. You just follow the rhythm of English. It's mean, let's not make it poetic. In simple words, it's mean to learn form sentences, learn daily use vocabulary, learn the pronunciations, learn the expressions. And expression, while I'm not talking about the expression like phrases, I'm not talking about those things.
And to perform the functions of my office conscientiously, that's okay, and the best of my ability. Conscientiously.
I'm talking about the expression, your facial expression and everything, and the tone, and learn common English phrases. Yes. So go with the flow, go with the rhythm. Just follow the rhythm of English in the beginning, and your English will automatically improve. I know fancy words can make your English look attractive, but they can also make your English complicated for other people to understand. And the last thing I want to say is, language is for connection. It's meant to connect people, especially English, because it connects people globally. So it's a universal language. Remember one thing, simple English is powerful English. When you speak simply, people feel connected. When you speak clearly, people trust you. And when your words are easy, your masses become strong. So even the greatest storytellers, teachers, and leaders in the world use simple English. Why? Because simple language travels faster, teaches deeper, and stays longer. So don't let big words make you feel small. Your voice, your thought, your expression, they are already meaningful. So English is just a tool, and you already know how to use it. So stay confident, stay consistent, and speak the English that feels natural to you. So the purpose of making this video to help you understand the language better and to keep you motivated in your English learning journey, even if you use simple words. So I hope this video have gave you some motivation and also gave you a new perspective to see English language and to see any language. So if this video helped you, or if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with more people. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.